Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and well, in today's video I have no idea what we're going to be doing, so we'll just have to find out and see you guys in a second. Just before we start off, I just want to say check out two YouTube channels called, one is Danny Bowen Roblox, leave a like to him, give him some views, and the same to a cousin called Catherine Young. That's her YouTube channel. Same thing to her. Okay, right. I'll see you when I can actually find a game we can play. Right, just loading into Roblox. In fact, hang on a sec, guys. Sorry. Just 1 second. You know what? Never mind. Let's go in. Okay. Sue Tarts goes to. No idea what that is. Just gonna have a look if Danny Bone Roblox is on. Let's have a look, friends. No! Oh, come on. OMG, Thanos. That's not Thanos. Guys, I was gonna say something that happens in Endgame. If you haven't seen it, see it. So I was about to say spoiler. Don't want to say any spoilers. Okay, right. Where is... Okay, right. Let's have a look at this. Oh, Mad Paintball 2, yes. This is quite a fun game. You guys should check this out. Link. Oh, sorry, guys. There you go. Mad Studio. Right, we're in. Okay. Nice gun. Right, we're in. Alright, let's go. I'm going to try and keep commentating whilst we're going. Right, this is like a death zone down there. Played this game a couple times before. Tell me if you have two. Think that's our flag to the left. What am I doing? If I just sit here. Oh. I've done this loads of times. Just sit here and wait. Okay, can't change gun by the looks of it. Can't remember. I think it's Q to zoom. No. Oh, I can't remember. Guys, tell me how to zoom in the comments. Please. I've forgotten. Die, punk. Oh, there's a punk. I should have got the machine gun. Oh, he's behind me. Right, yeah, I'm going to change weapon. So is it Q to change gun? Yeah. Heavy. Oh, yeah, heavy. Oh, yeah, please. Oh, boys. Danker. Oh, I could have got that. Wait for him. Ah, can't see him. Gonna have to go up. What? Still got a shot on that guy. I think I just got hit. Oops. Boo. Yes. What a way to die. This guy getting close. Come on. Come on. Come get me, bro. Where is he? There should be someone here. It's their base, for God's sake. Ah, there, see? Oh, he's behind. I need to turn quicker. So annoying. Right, inventory. 2, 1. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. That's to 0. I like this. Quite like that. It's quite nice. Clothes. What have I got on my clothes? No, thank you. Faces. No. Outfits. Ooh. Is this what I've... I want to see this. Ooh. What's this? Have a look at this one. Defender. Oh yeah. Right. I think we're good. Let's get going, boys. Yes, son. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to be back in a sec. Alright, so see you in a sec. Carrying on. That actually took a while, to be honest. I'm just gonna go back into Roblox. Ready to deploy. We just won, so I got 15 diamonds or rubies or whatever you call it, Majima. Okay, I'm gonna run around here. Because I know what to do. I'm gonna come up round there, round the side. Yeah, where she's going, and then I'm gonna come. Jeez. I don't know. Oh, for God's sake! Well, I'm gonna try and get flip 151011. What costs 15 rubies in there? It's 25. 25. What's Robux? Okay, right. I'll skip back. Going this way this time. Okay, I can't go that way this time. Carrying on in this direction. Which one's that area that I'm looking for? Yeah, it's this way. So we're the red team by the looks of it. Because our base was red. Oh! Oh, what? Sniper! Right there. I see him right there. I'm gonna go and get some revenge. Right, come around and exit. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot about this place. Revenge. Ooh. Revenge. How have I not got... What? Where did that come from? What? I'm gonna go... Shotgun. Shotgun's actually quite good. And it goes far. So, see how far exactly. I got a 14 hit on him, but someone still sniped me. Where are these snipes coming from? Seriously. This way. Right. Well, I'm gonna look for the guy that's sniping me all the time. What? What's going on? Oh, defeat! Come on! I'm rank 7. Come on, let me deploy, boys! Extend. How much a day? 15. Alright. 2 weapons. Close. I'm gonna have a shotgun and for my second... I have a sniper. No. I'm gonna have a heavy for my second sniper. Okay, ready to rumble. Oh, it is Q to change. Isn't it? Yeah, knew it. Oh, I hate this map. But I do know something. You can come up here. Get hell out of here, bruv. What? Right, I need to come up there and kill him. He's a naughty boy. He's been very naughty. Assist. Oh, someone killed him. I remember once I was playing this game and I saw a hacker. Boom. What? Ah, from behind. Someone get him. Quicker, quick. Stop him from getting the flag, peeps. I'm gonna switch, because I'm a dingus. Switch back. This direction. Turn. Guys, turn right. Turn right. Oh, yes. Okay, they're infiltrating from there. I knew at some point they were going to come through there. Go away. Go away. Got one. Think got another one. Oh, what was that? Got my health. I thought it was bad. Ah, got some damage. Guys, take him out. Oh, I need to figure out how to sprint. How do you sprint? Oh, is it that? No. Okay, and stay here, protect the flag. Hell no. Going in. Oh! Hits. Hits, my boys, hits. Those hits. What a Q. And snot. What? Where'd that come from? Oh, hacker. I bet he was hacking invisibility. Look what the guys he just killed. Okay, I'm safe. What? 19. Get him, boys. Get him, get him. I'm getting better, boys. Getting better. I'm not good enough, I don't think. I'm gonna come this way this time. Get him from in here. Caution. Doesn't look very slippery to me. Eliminate. Damage. No, no, don't get me. Okay, I need to reheal. Ah! Just came around the corner and killed me! For God's sake! What? Wow! You got one shot, then you have to reload. From here, I'm gonna take a lucky shot. Nah. Can't even find the green dot. Come on, boys, give me the lucky shot. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Hit one! I shouldn't have stayed still. Why did I stay still? And why am I turning away? Why am I turning away? Look at the camera. Show them your beautiful face. Well, it's also very, very ugly. And what is this chart? Money spent towards each sector. Nobody cares about that. Why are you showing that? That's personal information, people. Okay, right. Okay, this guy's stuck. Thank you very much. Lucky shot.